But Coyote, where are we gonna find a hospital? Like, we just crashed an area. We don't even know where we are. And there's just a random juice hut here in the middle of an ocean. A bunch of weird stuff, like these two stray cats and cookies. I don't even know what's happening here. Where are we gonna find a hospital? Well, weird apple lady, you actually have a point. I actually don't know where we're going to find a hospital, but at least the bleeding has stopped a little bit. I managed to clean it off in this water over here. Ah. So, guess we're just gonna walk around and hope for the best. Sigh, okay, we're just gonna walk around and hope for the best, I guess. Let's start walking around then. Oh boy, will this be exhausting. Coyote, why don't we have a proper plan for this? Apple Lady, are you crazy right now? Like, are you kidding me? You think I'd have a plan in a situation like this? We just fell out of a plane. You really think I would have a plan right about now? Well, whatever. Let's just start walking to different lands. See if we can find a hospital. No hospital here. Nope. It's so cold. Coyote, I think I found it. Look. Gabby's Animal Hospital. Never heard of someone called Gabby, but it's a hospital. It says hospital. That probably means it's a hospital. We gotta go inside. Come on, Coyote. What are you waiting for? Let's go in. We've been looking for this hospital for like million years. More like a month. More like an hour. Ah. Finally made it in here. Oh boy. There's these creepy mannequins everywhere. Oh no. I'm getting scared, Coyote. I don't think this is a good idea. Are you sure about this? Can we just walk out the door? I don't know, Coyote. No way, Apple Lady. We have traveled days and nights to get to this animal hospital. We are 100% going up these stairs, and we are going to find a doctor, and they will try and help us. Because my arms and legs, my paws and legs, they hurt so much, Apple Lady. They think under these socks I'm wearing, they're bleeding. They just hurt so much. Apple Lady, I need to go upstairs right now. Oh boy, okay, Coyote, I'll go see if I can find a doctor somewhere, and I'll try and help you, Coyote. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I think I see a doctor over there. Oh my gosh, doctor, can you hear me from over here? Huh? Is there a patient for like 50 million flipping years? Oh my goodness. I've never felt so happy in my life. Hello, ma'am or sir, please come up, please come upstairs and, get your, patient ready, and I will take care of her. And, yeah, oh my goodness, this is a miracle. Wow. Whew, last time I worked here was like a year ago. Well, the first day I came to the job, again, there's a patient. That's pretty nice. Wow. Alright, well, patient, please come up the stairs. I'm waiting for you. I'm all ready. Ugh, boy, this is pretty awkward. Yes, she noticed me. Oh, she told me to come upstairs. Hey, Doc. I'm here. I have a patient ready. She her paws and legs, she said that she might have broke them, and that she said they might be bleeding, but I don't know for sure. I don't want to look at them. Ugh, disgusting. Oh my gosh. So, Doc, can you please just take care of this? Thank you very much. This is, I can't bear to watch. I'm sorry, Coyote, but you're gonna have to stay up here by yourself, with the doctor. I'm gonna be down here. Oh sheesh. I hope, I hope that I'll be okay. Ugh. Hey, Doc. Ow, ow. Oh gosh, my legs hurt. Oh my gosh, I should better sit down. Oh my gosh, my legs. They hurt so badly, Doc. So, if you want to know what happened, I kind of fell out of a plane and it crashed and, oh, everything hurts right now. Don't worry, ma'am. You'll be 100% fine. Let me just get these tools here. Gonna get this one over here. There we go. Okay, so can you please do me a favor? Please remove your socks, because you got picked off, and that weird apple woman over there, I'm not sure what her name is. She just went running down over there, but she said that your paws and legs were hurting really badly, so you might have to take off those socks of yours. Thank you. Okay. Gonna stretch down, try. Ow. Gotta take off one sock, and then the other sock. Now, the final socks, that one, there we go. Just gonna fling that one across the room. There we go. Okay. Then the final sock, and there we go. All my socks. They really are bleeding. They hurt. Help me, Doc. Please help me. They are hurting so badly. I can't even stand up anymore. Please help. This is a very serious case. I've never seen such a serious injury before. The last one was just, a splinter? Wow, that's a pretty big injury. Okay, let me go get a bunch of supplies and stuff. Okay. Might need this cast, and might need like 52 bandages here. Okay. I think I have everything ready. Okay, so here's the most important part. Were you the pilot of the plane? Please, but before you answer that question, just put this cast on. Just put the cast on, okay? Please. That is some blood I've ever seen before. Oh my goodness. Just put the cast on and answer my question. Okay. Thank you for helping me with this cast. I feel a bit better. Okay, I guess I'll tell you the truth. I was the pilot. Yeah, I was the pilot. I have to admit I did crash the plane. But I was on a big break, and it was the boss's fault, okay? I wasn't supposed to be driving that plane. Someone else was, but apparently the other person quit, which led this all to happening. I just feel really bad right now. I just want to go home and sleep. It's okay. Well, at least you feel a bit better, right? And, yes, you should 100% go home and get some sleep. You know what? I feel so nice today. I'm going to drive you home. I'll get my car and I'll drive you home. You tell me where you live and drive you home. With your friend, Apple Woman. I'm assuming her name is. Well, you guys stay safe, okay? And I don't think you, Coyote, should ever, drive a plane again. Well, Not in like at least a year. Ugh. Well, you guys stay safe, guys. Okay. I'll go get the car ready. Sigh. Thank you, Doctor. I really appreciate it for driving us, both of us, through all that has happened to me. Finally, something good has happened. So, thank you, Doc. Woo! I can go home. Finally. But wait, don't I have to pay? Cause even like cause I kind of threw socks all across your room. I kind of feel bad. Oh, they already left out the door. Well, I guess I won't be paying for those dirty socks I threw all over this place. Home sweet home we come!